The recording is starting right now, okay? So, okay, how to record this one. Masushow ba dito? Wala, wait lang. I need to check first kung masushows. Ay, dito pala. Rectangular, full screen all display, okay? Okay, here again, let's continue. I'm here at already at the 110. That is the laptop. I mean ba laptop? 109 is the monitor. No, no, no. Okay, laptop A, laptop X, laptop B, the keyboard, the monitor, the laptop A, the mouse, the C, the monitor. It should be the monitor here. So after the mouse is the laptop C, right? So the monitor is placed by here. Then after the monitor is the keyboard itself. So laptop B, the mouse X, on the laptop C, laptop C, the monitor again, the keyboard, the laptop A. Do I need to spell it out everything, what I'm reading, right? Okay, here in the category, I should put kung unsa na siya na category. So laptop is categorized as laptops. Then display, ang monitor is displays naman na siya. Then laptops again. Then accessories. The mouse is considered as accessories because it is any accessories. I don't may tawag dyan why mouse is accessories. Nakalimutan ko lang. Oh my god, monitor is display. Accessories, displays, the laptops, accessories, the laptops, accessories, displays, laptops. Mouse is accessories. Laptop, displays. Keyboard is also its accessories. The laptop, the mouse, the laptop. Okay, here in the date, actually this is already given. Uh-uh. I no, I should be like, ganitohon ko na lang kaya. I know, hindi pala. Copy, then view. Para ang i-edit ko lang is yung ano niya mismo. So, 05, 06, then 07. Ay, yes, tama. Okay. To 24, I guess it was 24. Ganun lang pala ka-easy. So, the quantity of how much, this has already been given. So, 5, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2. Sana ba ako? Pizza 15, that is 3, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's 3. Then 1, 1, and 2. Okay, here the unit price. The unit price of each that is 800, 20, 950, 45, 200, 800, 20, 1,100, 200, 45, 950. Sorry, that was a accident. That is 20, 110, that is 200, that's 45, another 800, so 20, for 20 is 950, That is 200 and 1,100. So this is the step one. This is the step one and set up the database. So the step two is the basic calculation of total sales. Okay. I guess it's what is this is so very easy naman, di ba? Kasi ganito lang to is equals to sum. Then I don't think so if I'm correct. So that ay, hindi pala, wait lang. It should be sum equals to sum f then hala. Paano nga? Oh my God, I forgot to total the sum. Just wait. Hi again. Okay, let's continue. Sorry, I'm going to I'm going to pumunta pa ako sa CR para mag-CR. Okay, let's go back again. So let's multiply the quantity times the unit price. Here we should put the total sales. Para na ako nitong nag-accounting. So it was a very easy why because it was equals times then multiply by rest and this like this. So ganito lang yan guys. Then you will need to drag it everything so the total price is ano na siya. Automatically. That's how proof doing the calculation. The next is the summarization of the matrix. So, saan ba ako dito? Okay, let's continue. So, for this one, next things to do is to pupunta sa date 23. So, dito tayo guys. So, let's total items sold. Let's input like this one. So, dito, multiply ata to. So, items sold, it means itotal to lahat. That is sum and okay, next is the day 24. Average order value. So, average order value tapos in dito, that is average, since the average may gipangita. So, next one is pupunta ulit ako sa day 25, that's number of orders. So, the number of orders 25. But in cell A25, okay, number of the tide, okay? Then, number of orders, then in cell A25 is equals to count